Want to design your dream home but don't know where to start? It's easier than you think. Turn your 2D sketch into a 3D model with a roof, interiors, and even the utility systems, all using the free tools inside InteriorBox 3D. Let's lay a foundation and create a new project from scratch. Click Start Drawing and activate the Room Drawing tool. Now, click and drag to draw the walls of the first room. As you draw, you'll notice a prompt displaying the current length of the wall. To complete the room, double-click in the starting point. Draw the second room next to the first one. You can create rooms of any shape. To speed up the process, click Add a Room and choose a ready-made room template. You can input the room dimensions right away or adjust the size later. Rooms can be attached to any part of the house. Once you've added the room to your floor plan, you can easily adjust its size. Simply drag the walls to get the dimensions you need. Click Dimensions if you want to double-check the length of each wall. Now, let's use the wall drawing tool to add a separating wall in one of the rooms. Very helpful when you need a walk-in closet, for example. Switch to the 3D View tab on the left to take a closer look at the 3D model. Time to add doors and windows. Pick a door type from the library and place the chosen door where you need. The program will automatically show the distance between the door and the corners of the room. You can use an arch instead of a door. There are several rectangular and round arches to choose from. Their sizes and design can be edited later. Next, let's add windows. There is a variety of window types in the program library. In the Properties tab, you can change the width and height of the window, as well as its position above the floor. The first floor is ready. Click Add Level to add another floor. You can adjust the level position and the settings in the pop-up window. Delete the unnecessary walls and move the remaining ones as you need. To top it all off, let's add a roof. Choose the roof type, click Next, and select the attic space type. You can also adjust the roof and ridge settings as you wish. In the Levels tab, you can temporarily hide floors and come back to the one you want to work with. Now, let's connect the floors with stairs. Choose a suitable type and place the staircase on the floor plan. Use the yellow handle to rotate it. Let's make the walls transparent and show the second floor to get a better look of the stairs. Rotate the scene as you need. Notice that the program has automatically added a ceiling opening for the staircase. In the Properties tab, you'll find the additional settings of the stairs. There's everything you need for stairs construction. For example, you can change the number of steps and immediately see the changes in the preview image. You can also adjust the railing and baluster settings here. Experiment with the stairs design too. Select the wood type for the steps, the landing, the balusters, and so on. Now, we'll come back to the main working area. Here comes the fun part, the room decoration. Choose a room to start with and move on to Properties. Type the room name here. Then, select the material for the walls. There is a large choice of wallpapers in the Materials gallery. Next comes the floor. Let's find a nice texture for the floor in the Parquet and Laminate section. Don't forget about the molding. You can choose from different types of wood to find a suitable one, or select a color from a color palette. You can also play with the scale of any material. Drag the slider to change the number of parquet pieces, wall tiles, or the wallpaper pattern. You can change the ceiling texture in the same way. Select the wall tiles for the bathroom. For the bedroom, we'll choose a wallpaper for the walls and a carpet for the floor. Note that it is possible to select one of the walls in the room and apply a different material to it. You can get really creative this way. If you don't like the result, click the Undo button to revert the change. It is also possible to change the door's design. In the Properties tab, you'll find a selection of different door styles. Check the open door box to add even more realism to the scene. It's time to furnish the rooms. In the program library, there's a wide range of furniture and appliances for every room of your house. Let's start with the kitchen. An accurate arrangement is vital here, so check Show Furniture Sizes to make it easier. Add the first cabinet, rotate it if needed, and place it where you wish. We'll switch to the 2D Editor tab and zoom in the scene to guarantee the highest precision. Let's change the measurement unit as well. Inches will make it more convenient. As you see, the program shows all the distances as you move the objects. There is some space left, so we'll choose a suitable cabinet and go to Properties to change its dimensions accordingly. Now it perfectly fits the spa. Switch to the 3D view to see what we've got. Next, we'll add a wall cabinet. Remember that you can decide how high above the floor it will be. To experiment with the furniture design, go to Properties and pick a new material. You are free to change the look of any piece of furniture. Choose your preferred materials and colors for any part, from countertops to door handles. Now that all the rooms are furnished, let's add a final touch: the lights. You can do it either by hitting the Add Lights button on the right or by using the Utilities mode on the left panel. In the Utilities mode, you can add not only lighting, but heating, plumbing, switches, sockets, and electrical wiring. When everything is ready, click the Virtual Visit button, switch to full screen view, and take a walk through your dream home. Enter every door and move to examine the rooms from different angles. Enjoy this opportunity to get a good sense of the space before you start realizing your home design ideas in reality.